Hello, today I will be showing you the integration between MYOB and ERP using eBA local workflow platform. So here we have the MYOB screen here along with eBA. So once we go into the application section here, we can go into ERP and we can go into MYOB. So for example, here we have a PO integration. So we get our purchase order form right here. So the first thing we can do is choose the purchase orders from here. So we have a few that are on hold. So let's go ahead and choose one of these. And as soon as we choose the purchase orders, we can see that the other fields are also filled in, such as the supplier, the description, along with the total cost and the cost of goods sold. And here is the workflow for this specific purchase order form. And once we fill this information out, we can go ahead and send this form out. So it's going to be in pending its approval. And we see here that we can approve this form as well. And this is the completion of the workflow. And we can also go in on the left here into our purchases, and we can go into our purchase orders. And here's where we can see each purchase order depending upon the status that it has. And with that, this concludes my demonstration today for the ERP integration and my MYOB. Thank you for watching.